There's a couple common questions that always get asked when attaching a Bernina embroidery unit to a Bernina sewing machine. So we're working on the Bernina 790. And the one thing that you just need to know is that number one, you just need to kind of lift it to get these two connections away from the machine. This is the part that actually makes the connection right here on the front. Now, one thing I have actually noticed is if a table is not completely flat, a little bow to it, or maybe not sturdy, that is something that you will need to address. So if the embroidery module ever comes up with a message on the screen that says, you know, please attach embroidery module, and you think it is, there's just something that is not totally connected. So all you need to do is kind of pretty much tilt it down towards your table, slide it into the little grooves until it clicks. Now I even heard a little kind of activation part once that actually came in. You can take this off at any time that the machine is on but not running. So that is something that you can do. And even when it's off, if you ever need to move this embroidery arm, once it's disconnected from the machine, it moves very freely. So if you are looking to put it back into the box, you can do that. There is a place on screen where it says park the embroidery arm, and it would push it all the way over here. But you can see it's actually quite pushable with a little force for moving it around once it's detached from the machine. But once it goes on, if it's all level, it will go on and activate. Again, you can sew with the embroidery unit on. And remember, you can also attach the slide-on table at this point, especially with this arm nice and far away. You can get that to slide all the way on as you see there. Sometimes I might give the machine a little lift for it to actually connect, and then the embroidery, everything is secure. The project will be supported. I love using the slide-on table during embroidery.